If I had a generic rebar in more than one zone and I wanted to adjustment the length of the generic rebar, of course we knew how to adjustment the generic rebar itself, and we knew that when we right click we can adjust the length, whether it goes to the start, the end, or the both ends. But all of this happens to one rebar. So as a result, I need to repeat this process for all the rebars that are duplicated in my drawing. Yes, there is a quick command that we can use. You'll find it here in our tools called adjust generic rebar length to end, to start on both ends. So if I choose this, he will start telling me to choose what I want to fix. So I will tell him I want to fix these. I'll select these 4. After that, it will ask me what length I want to set for them. So for example, I'll tell it set their length to 3000. So now at this point, all these rebars have actually taken on the specified length, become exactly 3000. If we put a label on each of them, it will actually show 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000. And they all have this same value as their length without any difference at all. And then as we adjust our label, just leave it like that for now and do the matching, and that's it. We'll find the same operation if we want the length to end. Now we go to adjust generic rebar to end, and we will select all generic rebars. Of course, I selected everything because in the end it filters them, the ones I selected. So only the items I select will have the operation applied to them, and it won't affect any other object. Even if there's another rebar, it won't be affected. We'll click OK and it will ask me what length I want them to be. I'll tell it to set them to 3200, for example. So I'll find that on this end side, the entire length will start increasing on this side, and nothing will increase on the start side. And we'll see that all labels of them have become 3200. The same applies if we go to the start side. I'll select all our rebars. It will start asking me what length I want them to be. I'll tell it to set them to 3500, or we could just make it 3000. So we'll see that the start side has decreased only in the direction of the start. It didn't affect anything else, and I've reached my desired length of 3000. I achieved what I wanted in all the generic rebars I chose.